Planting in a post-wild world is a concept that addresses the evolving relationship between humans, nature, and the environment in the context of a changing world. It suggests that as natural landscapes and ecosystems are increasingly influenced by human activity and urbanization, our approach to gardening and landscaping should also adapt. Here's a perspective on what planting in a post-wild world might entail. Understanding the post-wild world. Acknowledge the impact of human development, climate change, and urbanization on natural landscapes. Recognize the need for a new approach to gardening that considers ecological balance, sustainability, and resilience. Reconnecting with nature. Emphasize the importance of re-establishing a connection with nature, even in urban and suburban environments. Encourage individuals to create spaces that mimic and support natural processes, fostering biodiversity and wildlife habitat. Embracing native plants. Advocate for the use of native plants in landscaping and gardening, as they are adapted to local conditions and support local ecosystems. Highlight the benefits of native plants, such as reduced water usage, minimal maintenance, and improved support for pollinators. Designing for function and resilience. Promote landscape design that focuses on functionality, such as rainwater capture, soil health, and erosion control. Suggest using a mix of plant types and heights to create layered and resilient landscapes. Diverse and ecological planting. Encourage planting combinations that mimic natural plant communities, promoting diversity and reducing the risk of pests and diseases. Discuss the importance of including a variety of plant species that support different types of wildlife, from insects to birds. Holistic management. Introduce the idea of managing landscapes as interconnected systems, considering soil health, water conservation, and nutrient cycling. Discuss practices like mulching, composting, and integrated pest management as part of a holistic approach.